Straight.
Put it up, don't yeah.
You know I'm
Get
not
it in. Alright.
She's shaking.
Alright, see look, here's what you gotta do.
No, I'm not doing
You gotta basically throw it back in your throat and hurry try to swallow it.
You got your water ready?
Yep.
Alright. I'm going to hear. I ain't even telling what y'all doing. What? Drink some more water. Gargle it. Gargle it. Why'd you wait to drink the water? Is that a North Face? And you did it in that good North Face.
It's Columbia.
It's Columbia.
Alright.
How'd that go?
Not so good.
Why you wait 10 seconds to drink the water?